Welcome to our quick guide on the artisgain.com Forex Profit Calculator, a key tool for smart trading. Forex Profit Calculator, a must-have tool for Forex traders seeking to accurately calculate their potential profits or losses before making a trade. Let's unlock how you can use this to your advantage. In the world of Forex trading, understanding your potential profit or loss is crucial. The Forex Profit Calculator simplifies this process, helping you make informed decisions quickly. To get started, input your trading instrument, like EUR/USD, your account currency, which in our case is USD, and whether you plan to buy or sell. Next, enter your position size in lots and your trade's open and close prices. Remember, the pip size for EUR/USD is 0.0001, which is crucial for these calculations. Let's explore how these inputs translate into your potential profit. First, let's determine the number of pips you're gaining or losing. Subtract the open price from the close price and divide it by the pip size. This will give you the number of pips moved. To calculate your profit in USD, multiply the number of pips by the pip value for a standard lot and then by your position size in lots. For a standard lot, the pip value is the product of the EUR/USD pip size and the contract size, which is 100,000 units per lot. For trades involving pairs like USD/JPY, you would adjust the profit in USD based on the USD/JPY price. Calculating profit in pips depends on whether you are in a buy trade or in a sell trade. If you are in a buy trade, subtract the open price from the close price. If you are in a sell trade, do the reverse. Let's put theory into practice with an example. Imagine you're trading EUR/USD. You plan to buy one standard lot, which is equivalent to 100,000 units. Your account currency is USD. You enter the trade at an open price of 1.1050 and close it at 1.1150. First, we calculate the number of pips gained. Since you're buying, subtract the open price from the close price. Next, we determine the pip value for a standard lot. Now, let's calculate your profit in USD. And there you have it, a profit of 100 pips, translating to $1,000 in USD. This example showcases how the Forex Profit Calculator can be a powerful ally in your trading, helping you to understand the potential outcome of your trades quickly. With the Forex Profit Calculator, you're equipped to anticipate the outcome of your trades, ensuring you're making moves that align with your trading strategy. Accurate calculations lead to smarter, more profitable trading decisions. But why stop here? At artisgain.com, we provide tools and insights to empower your trading journey. Register today to trade smarter and earn up to 50% cash back on your trading fees.